Hello everyone, welcome back to Edu Planet Academy. Today we are going to learn about a very prime topic of the mathematics of class 10, that is applications of trigonometry. Have you ever wondered how to calculate the height of the building or height of the mountain or even the distance of the aeroplane, flying aeroplane from the ground without climbing them? Is it possible really? Of course, it is possible with the help of trigonometry. Yes, today we are going to discuss such kind of few illustrations. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which can deals with right triangle, sides and angles. Yes, with the help of right triangle angles and sides, we can solve trigonometric related problems. In the right triangle, generally we will use four kind of components. Those are theta, it represents some angle, and opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. For example, suppose here I am taking angle theta. Then for this theta, what is the opposite side? Height will be the opposite side. And this would be adjacent side. And the longest side always considered as hypotenuse. Yes, with the help of these four components, we can solve trigonometric related problems. Let us see some of them. Most of trigonometric related problems, they will about to find heights and distances. Yes, already we know heights represents which kind of direction? Heights represents vertical. Yes, right, vertical direction. Next, distances. Distance is nothing but, just will think our real life example. Suppose the distance between a particular point A and another point B. The distance between A and B points, it represents horizontal line, right? Now just imagine right triangle. Right triangle will build with these two sides. Yes, vertical line and horizontal line. If you join them, you will get a hypotenuse. That's all. It means, see here, trigonometry, it's all about right triangle sides and right triangle angles. Yes, here we will use which kind of sides? Opposite side or adjacent side and hypotenuse. And which kind of angles we may use? Trigonometric angles. Already we know sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Otherwise, their inverse ratios also we can use, like cosec theta or sec theta and cot theta. Now we will see what is line of sight. Suppose a person is looking at the ball, then from person eyes to the target object, if I draw the line, that line we have to call as line of sight. Now we will see what is angle of elevation. Suppose you are at the ground and looking at the top of the tree. It means if I draw the imaginary line from your eyes to top of the tree, this could be line of sight, and this would be horizontal line. And remind that horizontal line is nothing but, it is considered as a ground. So the angle in between line of sight and horizontal line we have to call as angle of elevation. If I give the exact geometrical structure to this situation, it would be horizontal line, height of the tree, line of sight. The angle between line of sight and horizontal line we have to call as angle of elevation. In simple words, angle of elevation is nothing but when we are looking up, automatically angle of elevation can be formed. Now we will try to solve one question from exercise 12.1. The question is question number 3. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set it up at the height of 2 meters and by making an angle 30 degrees with the ground. There is a slide, given that there is a slide and the height of the slide is 2 meters from the ground. This is the ground and this is slide. It is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. 30 degrees angle it is making. Now find the Now, what should be the length of the slide? Slide length we need to find. This is our question. We will try to solve it. See here, this geometrical structure resembles a right triangle. And this is let us name this triangle ABC. AB and BC both are perpendicular, so it means angle B value can be 90 degrees here. So given information is slide height. Slide height is what? AB. AB equals 2 meters. Slide length. Slide length equals AC. Not there. We need to find angle of elevation. Yes, angle of elevation with the ground, that is 30 degrees. I have written there. See here, by considering 30 degrees, we need to find this AC value. Slide length we need to find. How can we link up given side and target side? See here, for this 30 degrees, given side is opposite and target side is hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, the relation is opposite by hypotenuse gives us sine theta. By using from sine theta equals opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine theta is placed at which vertex? C. Sine C equals opposite AB and hypotenuse is AC. AB upon AC. Sine C value is 30 degrees equals AB value is 2 meters by AC value don't know. Sine 30 value is 1 upon 2 equals 2 meters by AC. Do the cross multiplication, then you will get 1 into AC equals 2 meters into 2. 1 into AC equals 2 meters into 2, 4 meters. It means the slide length equals AC, that is 4 meters. We will see about angle of depression. Suppose you are at the top of the building and you are looking foot of the tree. Now see here, this would be your horizontal line. Between horizontal line and this is line of sight. Between horizontal line and line of sight, angle of depression may takes place, that is theta, and this could be your ground. But see here, when we are solving angle of depression related problems, we have to change the place of theta. Why? See, this is a ground, this one would be horizontal line. Let us draw this structure that side, horizontal line and ground. Between horizontal line and ground, there is a intersecting line which is intersecting these two, that is line of sight. Yes, which kind of structure you are seeing, not the structure, what you are observing from here. Generally horizontal line and ground both are parallel. The line which can intersect the parallel lines, it would be treated as transversal. Yes, based on the transversal property, these two angles could be alternate interior angles. We know that alternate interior angles are equal in the transversal. It means this theta will come here. So the final triangle would be, and this is height of the building and this is ground, this is line of sight, and here angle of depression may comes. Angle of depression in simple terms, when we are looking down, angle of depression takes place. Now we will see angle of depression related one question from exercise 12.1, sixth question. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at an height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression 60 degrees. Then what would be the distance between you and the object? See, first of all, based on the given information, we will try to construct the image. You are at the top of the building. Just imagine this is the top, this is the building, and you are here. From the top of the building, this building height is 6 meters. From the top of the building, you are looking at the target on the ground. On the ground there is a target. You are looking at the target by making angle of depression 60 degrees. This would be horizontal line. So angle of depression value is 60 degrees. Now this 60 degrees comes to here. What is our question? We need to find the distance between you and the object. This is your object. This side, it means hypotenuse value we need to find. Can we? From the above situation, we can draw the triangle like this. Here AB is building height 6 meters and object is located at point C. Angle B is right angle. AC is the distance between you and the object. We need to find this one only. See, by considering 60 degrees, given side and target side, the relation is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse gives us sine theta. See here, from sine theta equals opposite by hypotenuse. Sine theta value, how much they have given? 60 degrees they have given. Opposite value 6 meters by hypotenuse is AC. Sine 60 value root 3 by 2 equals 6 meters by AC. Do the cross multiplication, then you will get that root 3 into, the next step is root 3 into AC, root 3 AC equals 6 meters into 2, 12 meters. AC equals root 3 AC equals 12 meters. I can write as 3 4s are. Yes, right? Next, AC equals 3, we can write as root 3 into root 3 into 4 meters divided by here root 3. If I send that side, it will become the division. Root 3 can be cancelled. AC equals 4 into root 3, 4 root 3 meters. Yes, the distance between you and the object, the distance between the person and the target object is 4 root 3 meters. That's all.